Hello everyone, how you doing today? I'm back with another video, and in today's video we have a Dell Latitude laptop. This one is a Dell Latitude E6440, or also known as a Dell P38g. The P38g model is an regulatory model which only shows up at the bottom of the laptop. Under the battery, you'll be able to see that model, which will tell you right on this sticker will say Dell REG model P38g. That means it's a regulatory model P38g, or also known as a Dell E6440. And in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to remove the keyboard or how to replace your keyboard for these models. The keyboards are really simple to remove and really easy to install. If any of one of your keys are not working, these are not repairable, as the mesh on these ones are not replaceable. You have to replace the whole keyboard. Even it comes with a tiny mouse thing, that joystick that they have in the middle. So how you gonna do that? You will need two tools. Tool number one is a screwdriver set. Again, I always use the UFIXTEK tool set, as they have an S2 class steel, which are really tough in screw bits. If you're gonna be using a Phillips number one, you will also need an opening tool. You can get the Pro set from the screwdriver set, which includes you with an opening tool, or you can get yourself a guitar pick. A metallic guitar pick are really suitable for doing this job. All right, first thing first, you want to power off the laptop. Make sure the laptop has no power on. You don't need to remove the battery at all. Leave the battery in or remove the battery, suit yourself. Now we're going to pay attention. The keyboard is right here, and there's a little bezel that goes around the keyboard, right? There's a tiny bezel. We want to remove this bezel right there. We're going to start from this corner side by the entrance. We're just going to stick this one in, and we're just going to twist it towards the outside. The same thing on the back. Do this all the way, go all around to the side, do this side, and do the bottom side right over here. Just work yourself. It's really easy to remove. Once you remove it, just lift up this bezel, and down here you're gonna see 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're only gonna remove 3 screws, the one that touching the black metal. 1, 2, and 3. Leave this one alone. So go ahead and remove these screws. These are M23 screws. So they are the same size and height. Once you remove the screws, all you need to do is to grab it from the middle, from the right here, and put your finger under the keyboard and lift it up. Make sure you have this kind of curvature so you can unlock the clips on the side. Same thing here, the tiny 2 clips. Once you loosen it up, slide it towards yourself about 1 millimeter so you can loosen up these hinges right there. And then you want to lift it up, space bar up, and you want to see this jack right here. To unhook this jack, all you need to do, put your fingernail at the back and just lift it up 90 degrees towards the ceiling, just like that. So you want to move this one upwards, and then flex cable is just gonna come out. So this is your entire keyboard. I'll leave the model number in the video description. I'll try to get some link for it. The model is an NSK-DV4BC space 1E. So that's the model number for this one. If you want to get the part number directly from Dell, it will be 0M5G4P. That's the direct model part number for them. All right, let's say that you got the new keyboard in. You want to put it first, set it down, present it in the same position, lift it up, grab this flex cable from here. If you buy a new keyboard, you might not have this cable. You might have to unscrew, remove this board from it, one screw, and adapt it right here. It's really easy. It's not too hard. Let me do it in case you guys will go like a, no, mine doesn't come with that, it comes with this. So remove that tape. Yours might not come with this power adapter. You want to switch back to 0000 Phillips and remove this one right here, this tiny screw. And this board has a little adhesive at the bottom, tiny bit, so don't worry about it. Once you lift it up, Now we're gonna use our tweezers to lift up this side up. Get tape right over. Again, lift up this one up 90 degrees. This is the backlight. Remove it. Remove this tape right here. And this jack, you want to remove the black side 90 degrees upward. And the flex cable should come out pretty easy. The trackpad in between the keys is this one right here. So remove the tape. And lift up this cover. Again, remove the jack. So you might get the whole thing. This one, as I told you guys, has a little adhesive at the back right here. So you might want to be gentle with that adhesive. So I'm sticking tweezers right underneath to peel off that adhesive, because I'm not actually replacing this keyboard, it's just for demo. But if you're replacing yours, you won't care about it, you just rip it off. There we go. And there's your keyboard, when you purchase it will come just like this. So pretty much you have to salvage this from the old keyboard. They will probably give you the adhesive tape. If you don't just put a double-sided adhesive, all you need to do is first connect the backlight cable right here, stick it right underneath the jack. And then lock it down. And then you want to plug in first do it in the air, you don't want to put it down first. The keyboard flex cable goes right underneath the pins. There she goes all the way down. And then lock it down. And then trackpad in the middle goes right over here. It has to go straight under. There we go. It's easier with the hand than tweezers. Once you have it in there, just put it down and place the one screw right on top. Make sure you align it first. There we go. So that will keep it in place. You do not need the rest of the tape, but you can put an electric tape if you want to. It's not necessary. Once you got that in with the adapter right in there, press it right on the board, set it down like that. Now you want to lift it up and open up this hinge. If it's locked, just open it up 90 degrees and slide the flex cable right underneath. Make sure it goes evenly all the way in. Once it's evenly under right there, and then just lock it down. Gently slide the back end under. Put your thumb right in the middle so you can give this curvature on the side. It will click. Same thing in here, click, and then just let it go down. And last thing is to put down the 3 screws. And once you're done with that, just grab the bezel right on top and just push it down, press on it, and it should go in really quick. You want to hear those clicks. And that's how you replace your keyboard for your Dell Latitude E6440. I hope you guys like this video. If you guys did like it, please click that thumbs up. And if you have any requests or questions, leave them in the comment area. I will try to answer them as soon as I can. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video.